hello and welcome back guys. Today we are at Powai. I'm here to show you a beautiful property very much in the heart and the center of Powai, which is by Kanakya Group, Kanakya Silicon Valley. I'm sure you would have heard about this project or you would have seen this from outside. So here we have got to offer 2, 3, 4 BHK, 3 plus 3 Jodi, 2 plus 2 Jodi apartment. But before we start the tour, kindly support us by subscribing the channel so that we come up with the latest video every week for you so that you can buy your property very easily. Staying at home, you can see all the project videos, do a detailed tour and then visit your site. So without any taking much of your time, let's start the tour. First thing first, talking about this project in detail, this project offers you 8 acres of freehold land parcel, guys. In this, there's 35% of construction and 65% open space, which is the USP of this project. This project is on the elevated land. So यहाँ पे आपका ग्राउंड फ्लोर की हाइट भी बहुत हायर लेवल पे आपको लगेगी. एलिवेशन ऑफ द बिल्डिंग इज इन सच अ वे कि 8 एकर्स में टोटल 7 टावर्स रहेंगे, आउट ऑफ विच 6 टावर्स आर लॉन्च्ड, जिसमें आपको रेडी टू मूव इन ऑप्शंस रहेंगे, बट द यूनिट्स आर वेरी लिमिटेड. सो यू कैन कॉल एंड चेक विद द सेल्स मैनेजर क्या अवेलेबिलिटी है. अगेन द लेआउट ऑफ द बिल्डिंग, द साइज ऑफ द बिल्डिंग इज़ बेसमेंट प्लस 3 लेवल पोडियम, देन ग्राउंड एंड उसके ऊपर आपका 24 स्टोरी हाइट है. सो ग्राउंड इसीलिए आपका ग्राउंड लेवल से बहुत ज़्यादा ऊपर है. यू हैव अ ब्यूटिफुल व्यू एंड यू हैव अ ब्यूटिफुल लेआउट. द एमिनिटीज़ आर इन सच अ वे दैट एक साइड पे आपके सारे टावर्स है, 35% जैसे टावर्स है और रेस्ट 65% में आपका पूरा एमिनिटीज़ है. अगर आप बिल्डिंग का एलिवेशन देख सकते हो, यहाँ पे कोई भी बिल्डिंग एक दूसरे को ओवरलैप नहीं कर रही है, क्लस्टर फोबिक लेआउट नहीं है, बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से जहाँ पे आपका व्यू पूरा एक तरफ आपको माउंटेन्स देखेंगे जैसे आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो विद द पोडियम एमिनिटीज़, एंड ऑन अदर साइड you can enjoy the city view of Powai. So talking about the amenities, in this you have got 6 different type of zone. जैसे first zone is your clubhouse, second is your sports zone, third is relaxation zone, fourth is aqua zone, fifth is garden zone. So this is how your amenities are divided into different zones. So there are different kind of sculptures inside the project which makes it look very beautiful, just like one in on this side. वहाँ पे waterfall भी है स्विमिंग पूल के साथ. ये आपका प्यारा सा पूल है. सामने की तरफ आपका क्लब हाउस है जो पूरा फंक्शनल है. इस प्रॉपर्टी की सबसे बेस्ट बात ये है कि 85% एमिनिटीज़ पूरी फंक्शनल है. यहाँ पे कैफेटेरिया है, डिजिटल गेम्स है, और जो एक क्लब हाउस में होता है वो सारी एमिनिटीज़ है. उसके अलावा भी एक्सक्लूसिव एमिनिटीज़ आपको मिलती है. जस्ट लाइक दैट गार्डन में भी बहुत तरह तरीके के गार्डन्स है. मेज़ गार्डन है एंड मैनी मोर, जेन गार्डन्स एंड वॉट नॉट. अगेन टॉकिंग अबाउट द स्पोर्ट्स एरिया, प्रॉपर एक क्रिकेट टर्फ है, स्क्वॉश कोर्ट है, बैडमिंटन कोर्ट है, एंड देर आर मैनी मोर एमिनिटीज़ लाइक दैट. सो माई पॉइंट इज़ कि अगर आप एक अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट देख रहे हो तो आपके लिए यहाँ पे सारी एमिनिटीज़ मिलती है, बिकॉज ये गेटेड कम्युनिटी प्रोजेक्ट है. इट्स नॉट अ स्टैंड अलोन और 2 टावर प्रोजेक्ट. इट इज़ इन 8 acres एंड अ वेल गेटेड कम्युनिटी विद द मल्टीपल टावर्स. Also talking about this entire name, Silicon Valley is derived on a theme which is California resort theme. So जिस basis पे ये name derive किया गया है. So if you know, Kanakya always make projects on theme. So again this is their another project on the Silicon Valley theme, a resort living. So I am really excited to show you the actual apartment. I'll take you to the actual building and मैं आपको actual apartment दिखाने वाली हूँ. 2, 3 and 3+3 का options है, but मैं आपको 3 and 3+3 के ऑप्शन बताऊंगी, बिकॉज 2 BHK हमारे पास ऑलमोस्ट बहुत कम बचे हैं. तो अगर आपको जानना है कितने बचे क्या है तो दिए हुए नंबर पे आपको कॉल करना होगा. बहुत लिमिटेड इन्वेंट्री है. 3 BHK में आपको ऑप्शंस थोड़े बहुत मिल जाएंगे एंड 3+3 जोड़ी है, 2+2 की भी जोड़ी आपको थोड़ी बहुत मिल जाएगी. तो चलिए चल के देखते हैं उसका एक एक्चुअल बिल्डिंग में जाके लुक एंड फील कैसा है, क्या लेआउट है. लेट्स गो इनसाइड एंड सी दैट. So friends, today I am going to show you a 3 BHK show apartment of 1045 carpet area. Right outside you can see a grand lobby area that we have. The width of the lobby is very good. And this is how your foyer space looks like. Exactly this is how it will be. So as we come inside, this is your grand living area. The size of this living area is 11 by 24.5. So it's very spacious. You can design your entire sitting area on this side, wall mount the TV. Over here comes your dining space, because just next to it is your kitchen area. So before I take you to the kitchen, let me show you the size of the balcony. The balcony size is 10.4 by 4. So 4 feet is the width of the balcony and 10.4 is the length of the balcony. It comes with a wooden flooring and it offers you the Powai City and lake view. So this is how it will look like. So yeah, now let's move towards the kitchen space. So 7.3 by 13.7 is your kitchen space over here. So here comes your fridge area, your cabinets, parallel platforms. There's a good space between the two parallel platforms, and till here is your kitchen area. Here comes the window for the natural light and ventilation. Here comes your washing machine space for your clothes to be washed. So this is your kitchen area, very strategically located opposite to your dining space. And as we move on this side, let me show you the first bedroom area. So as we come out of the kitchen area, here comes the powder bathroom for your guest and anyone who is from outside. They can just freshen up on this side. And just opposite to it is your first bedroom of the house, that is 12.10 by 10. The plus point about this entire 3 BHK is it's a zero wastage layout. Also सारे bedrooms आपके master bedroom है. So ये आपका master bedroom है and काफ़ी ज़्यादा spacious है. You can look at this side. यहाँ पे आपका proper एक wardrobe area आ जाता है. So this is how it has been designed. So here is your window for all the natural light to come inside and the view and the ventilation. So as we come out of this beautiful layout of 12.10 by 10, the first master bedroom, we'll be entering towards the second bedroom of the house, that is 10.6 by 13 to be precise. So as we enter, here comes your foyer space for your privacy. Here is your attached bathroom, very beautifully designed. The faucets are all branded with all the premium fittings and amazing tile quality. So on this particular side is your entire bedroom space. Here comes your bed area. Here is your floor to ceiling height wardrobe space. Here is your space, a cozy corner wherein you can just read the book or do your work from home work, or if you're a student you can study here. So this is how beautiful this layout is. Now let me take you towards the third and the final bedroom of the house. The size of that bedroom is amazing. So as I'm coming out from this area, यहाँ पे दो bedrooms थे, अभी मैं living area में वापस आ रही हूँ, and on this side मैं आपको last and the final bedroom of the house दिखाऊंगी. So you have a beautiful layout wherein your privacy remains maintained. As I come inside of this particular area, the size is 10.3 by 15. Look how beautiful the layout is. यहाँ पे आपको एक बहुत अच्छा space मिलता है for you to get ready. यहाँ पे आपका wardrobe area आ जाता है. You can, we have put up a mirror over here. यहाँ पे आप आपका beauty का सारा चीज़ें align कर सकते हो, setup कर सकते हो. यहाँ पे आप ready हो सकते हो बहुत अच्छी तरीके से, या आपको जैसे चाहिए वैसे design कर सकते हो. ये particular space आपका bedroom space आ जाता है. And move around करने के लिए पूरे bedroom में काफ़ी अच्छा space दिया हुआ है. यहाँ पे आपको प्रॉपर व्यू आ जाता है और बहुत ही अच्छी लाइट आपके घर पे आती है, विच इज़ द नेचुरल लाइट. यहाँ पे आपको पूरा पवई सिटी का व्यू है. यहाँ से अगर आप हायर फ्लोर पे देखोगे तो आपको पवई लेक भी दिखाई दे सकता है. So this is the view, and here comes the attached bathroom of this particular house. So the size of the attached bathroom is again a standard size and very well designed. Tiles are very decent and premium. So yes guys, here comes the end of the tour of 3 BHK 1045. If you like this layout, please tell me in the comment section what you like the best about this project. Also, now we'll be going ahead and seeing a 3+3 जोड़ी apartment. इसी का जोड़ी हम देखने वाले हैं. अगर आपको वो डिज़ाइन करना है तो आप वैसे भी देख सकते हो. 2+2 की जोड़ीज़ भी अवेलेबल है और 2 BHK भी इंडिविजुअली अवेलेबल है. सो चलिए चल के देखते हैं वो वाला लेआउट. बट बिफोर दैट, अगर आपको साइट विजिट करना है तो आपको दिए हुए नंबर पे कॉल करके डायरेक्ट सेल्स पर्सन से बात कर लेना है, साइट विजिट शेड्यूल करवा लेनी है. एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो आस्क द बेस्ट प्राइजेस, ऑफर्स एंड डिस्काउंट्स गोइंग ऑन. आपको डिटेल्स इसके बारे में ब्रोशर या डिटेल्स चाहिए तो आप डिस्क्रिप्शन के लिंक पे जाकर क्लिक कर सकते हो, वहाँ पे आपको सारी डिटेल्स मिल जाएंगी ऑन टू योर व्हाट्सएप. So now let me take you through a 3+3 Jodi apartment. So guys, this is a 3 BHK Jodi that I am going to show you, for which the size is 1045 carpet area multiplied by 2. So 2090 is the carpet area for this particular layout, and it is phenomenal in size. So here comes your foyer space from where I have entered. On one floor there are 7 apartments. So you get a complete privacy and a beautiful space. As we enter over here, this is your foyer space. As we have merged the two 3 BHKs of 1045, the foyer space has been multiplied. So it has increased, the width has been increased. You can see this side, and on this particular side, this is your total space of 22 by 25 square feet, opulent sized magnanimous sized living area, wherein you can just design on one side your dining space, on another side you can have your chilling area like your living space. Beautifully you can design it up the way you want. Here comes your TV unit space and the rest of the area for your coffee table and other stuff. So over here comes your balcony, which gives you a beautiful view of the mountain, which is the forever open view. So on this side you can see it's a joint layout, so the balcony size is, so it is 20 by 4. So like this it is 20 and on width it is 4. So I would just like to show you exactly. ये आपका flooring रहेगा balcony का. It will be a wooden flooring and a glass facade. So this is the view that you can enjoy, the amenities as well as the mountain view. We also have the other side facing unit, which is the city view, Hiranandani city view and your Powai lake view. So that is the another view that you can enjoy for yourselves. Moving forward, as we entered from the foyer area, I'll be taking you towards the kitchen space, which is strategically planned next to the dining area. Over here is your kitchen space. So the size of this kitchen has been slightly increased. As you know, there is a customization which has happened over here. Roughly 7.5 by 13.7 approximately is the living area, is the kitchen area on this side. Here comes your washing machine space and the glass for your natural light to come inside the kitchen. Here comes your proper fridge space and the utility area that you can just design the way you want. Moving forward, I'll be taking you towards this side of the house first. So on this side, as there were two bedrooms which have been merged, so the powder bathroom area has been removed and just designed it as a storeroom. You can design it as a bar counter area, or because it's just next to your dining space. So either you can design it as a bar counter area or even as a temple space if you want to keep a temple over there. And as we come inside this grand living space, here comes your walk-in wardrobe area, which was a toilet area which has been converted to walk-in wardrobe space. So on this side and on this side, so in L shape is your window space over here, wherein you have the amenities view, podium view, and here comes your bedroom space. On the opposite side is the grand toilet bathroom area, on which you can just check it out. There's a dedicated shower area apart from your basin and commode. So once we are done with this side, I would like to take you on that side. But before that, we have just seen one bedroom on this side. I'll be showing you second bedroom. So this is a Jodi of 3 BHK, but in this we have designed 4 BHK apartment because the bedroom sizes has to be kept bigger. The choice was in that way. But अगर आपको 3+3 में 6 bedroom बनाना है तो भी आप बना सकते हो, because 3 bedrooms उस side और इस side आपको मिल ही जाते हैं और आप बीच की वॉल निकाल के इतना ग्रैंड लिविंग एरिया बना सकते हो. बट यहाँ पे 3+3 को 4 BHK बनाया है, इन अ काइंड ऑफ अ पेंट हाउस टाइप बनाया गया है जिसका साइज़ बेडरूम्स के बहुत बड़े होते, ग्रैंड होते. सो दिस साइड द साइज ऑफ दिस बेडरूम इज़ So the size of this bedroom is 10.3 by 15. It is as it is. This one is not customized. And this is the view, guys, that you get. The amenity view and the mountain view. So the bedroom size is really grand. There is a lot of space for you to sit in the bedroom. You can have your time with your friends. If you invite them in your bedroom, you have the space for that as well, or a reading corner you can say. And on this side is your dedicated bed area. On this side comes your walk-in wardrobe, so there's a beautiful layout over here for the walk-in wardrobe, and on this side is your attached bathroom. So let me now take you to the other side of the house as we are done on this side. हम वापस लिविंग एरिया में आ चुके हैं एंड ऑन दिस साइड यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो ये वाला एक बेडरूम था, जिस किचन था जिसको कन्वर्ट किया है एज अ ऑफिस रूम. सो अगर आप वर्क फ्रॉम होम है आपका, या अगर आपका बिजनेस सेटअप है और आप घर से काम करना चाहते हो, तो आप इसको एक ब्रिलियंट ऑफिस स्पेस बना सकते हो. या अगर आपके घर पे किड्स है तो इसे आप एक प्रॉपर स्टडी रूम बना सकते हो. या अगर आपको बुक्स का शौक है तो आप इसे लाइब्रेरी भी बना सकते हो. कम्प्लीटली डिपेंड्स ऑन योर टेस्ट. सो वंस वी कम आउट ऑफ दिस स्पेस, आई विल बी टेकिंग यू थ्रू this area, wherein first is your powder bathroom for your friends and relatives or the guest who comes inside the house. There's a proper space for them to freshen up. As they come out of the powder bathroom, over here is your grand bedroom space. So the size of this bedroom is 13 by 23 or 25 approximately. So this is how grand it is. You can literally have your personal living space over here, which is attached to your bedroom. You can call your friends, you can put a TV over here, you can sit, watch Netflix and relax. So this is the space, and on this side is your proper bedding area. So this is the proper bed area, which gives you a beautiful view. Over here, guys, it comes with a walk-in wardrobe space and an attached bathroom. So the layout is brilliant for this particular bedroom, which is your master suite of this apartment. This entire bedroom has been designed very thoughtfully, merging the two bedrooms. Now the last and the final bedroom of the house, that is your fourth bedroom. I would like to take you there. The size of it is approximately 10.3 by 13. Here we enter. Here comes your door, attached bathroom, and they have designed this particular space as a kid's bedroom. So it's up to you. You can make a proper adult bedroom, like a proper bedroom with a wardrobe space, bed space and your pocket area. आप जैसे चाहो वैसे डिज़ाइन कर सकते हो. यहाँ पे इसको ऐसे तरीके से किया है, आपकी मर्ज़ी आप कैसे करना चाहते हो. सो येस, हियर कम्स द एंड ऑफ द टूर. सो गाइज, अगर आपको 3+3 जोड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग लगा, या आपको लगा आप अपने टेस्ट के हिसाब से उसे बनाना चाहते हो, एंड आप एक ऐसे बड़ा लेआउट देख रहे हो 2000+ का कारपेट, सो डेफिनेटली दिस इज़ समथिंग दे हैव गॉट टू ऑफर यू. आपको ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है. So call on the given number. So for knowing the pricing of 3+3 जोड़ी, we also have 2 bed and 3 bed individually. अगर आप 2+2 का जोड़ी देख रहे हो या 3+3 की जोड़ी देख रहे हो, तो दोनों ऑप्शन आपको मिलते हैं. 2 BHK starting from 564, 666, 682, 701, 771. There are a lot of variations. 3 bed में again you have variations from 986, 1045, 1056. These are all the approximate carpets that I am talking about. आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में सारे डिटेल कारपेट एरियाज आ जाएंगे, और उससे भी ज़्यादा डिटेल्स चाहिए तो आप डिस्क्रिप्शन के लिंक पे क्लिक कर सकते हो. वहाँ पे आपको सारी डिटेल्स आपके व्हाट्सएप पे आ जाएंगी. गाइज, प्लीज़ सपोर्ट अस, सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल so that we come up with the latest video every single week, and see you in the next video in the next week. So do not forget to hit the bell icon for the notification. Thank you so much guys for watching this video till the very end. आप मुझे कमेंट्स में ज़रूर बताइएगा आपको इस प्रोजेक्ट की खास बात सबसे ज़्यादा क्या लगी. Till then, bye bye.